Hey guys, welcome back to the Fusty Food Review. Today, we're doing a little special event for Halloween. We're here at famous Skyview Apartments, one of the most haunted places in the world. I'm here with my crew. I got my dude right here. And then our technological expert right here.
DJ Dogbite.
So we're gonna go in here, review some food, and hopefully see some spirits. Boys, let's get in there. Let's go. Come on in, guys. We're gonna have to lock ourselves in so we can't get out before the night ends. Oh, it's pitch black in here. Oh, DJ Dogbite, you got any readings on your EMF right when we walked in?
Yeah, let's check out my readings. Oh, did you mean like on EMF?
Yeah,
not
EMF.
Not like reading material?
Well, what do you got there to read with?
I got the mouse on the motorcycle.
That could be
It's
useful.
a cult classic.
Save it for later, but we're gonna need the EMF.
Alright, well, let's see.
Sounds like we're getting a good reading from over here. Spirits, can you hear us?
I need to put my head into Ghost Hunter mode.
Oh, alright.
Hey guys, I'm getting a pretty big EMF reading over here, dude.
I'm gonna go. I left something in the room. I'll be right back.
Okay, Josh, here, come check out this one. What the fuck?
Holy shit! What is that?
Don't know. Some sort of ancient.
Comrade, what is it?
Some sort of ancient artifact. Don't look into its eyes. Could be dangerous. What the? Where's DJ Dogbite?
DJ Dogbite!
DJ, where are you, man?
DJ Dogbite to the sunna!
DJ, man, where are you?
Dogbite to the sunna!
Where the hell would he be? DJ, can you hear us? Shit, there's nothing in here. DJ! Bro, you hear shit out there?
Wait,
what the fuck is
what
that?
is that? When did that get?
What the hell? What the fuck? Oh my god. Are you filming this? Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Be careful. Don't look into the eyes of that skull. That thing's scaring me.
What is all of it?
There's fucking bones and shit.
A queen. I think it's trying to tell us something.
What the hell? It's like a pentagram, bro.
Maybe the ghost who made this was a queen.
Maybe. Greta, will you lead us in some incantations around here to hopefully contact the spirits a little bit more?
The original Japanese demon summoning ritual son did not work really son.
Spirits, if you hear us, please say something. Guys, what the hell?
What is this?
Looks like some sort. What the fuck? You guys hear that scratching? I don't know. Looks like some sort of. Oh! Watch out! It sticks to you. Shit! Damn.
It's their ectoplasm.
It is. We shouldn't leave this burning then. DJ!
Got your stuff?
I swear. That was DJ Dogbite's official beat.
Oh, fuck. I heard something in there.
DJ. Get out of here!
Kai!
What the hell was that? Something grabbed me in there, guys. Someone grabbed me by the shirt, pulled me in.
Is that a bite mark?
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, it burns.
He was bitten. What was that?
I don't know. But it burns for sure. I think I got scratches on my back too.
That's not just from
I've
being
only
a daddy.
seen this once before. What the fuck is that?
DJ.
It's DJ, dude. DJ.
DJ Dogbite.
DJ, what are you doing, bro? DJ, can you hear us? Greta, get out of there. Oh god! Where'd he go?
What happened?
What the hell?
He was right in front of me.
We didn't imagine that? I don't know. But I have seen this before. There's one thing that only ever worked to settle the spirits here. Leonard, please come sit with me.
Hunter, please take your stick. Malo for you, sir. Please send out a malo in honor of DJ Dogbite, please.
Pouring up for our comrade, as so to say. As you Yankees say.
Gunner, can you please tell the folks at home exactly what it is that we're doing right now, this ceremony?
Here, I brought graham cracker.
Oh, great, we needed these.
This one's for you, DJ Dog.
So just for all you viewers at home, this is an ancient ceremony. It's called the making of s'mores. It settles down spirits and will probably cleanse this place and keep anyone else who comes back safe. Here are some grams for you.
I have something my babushka taught me. Our friend DJ was taken by ghost. This was one of the last things he had. Maybe we can use it as conduit. Mouse and the motorcycle. I have to ask, by doing this, am I appropriating your culture?
It's because I'm with you. I'll give you the pass for it. S'mores pass.
Good pass. I don't want to offend.
Now, in order to do this ceremony correctly, you need to make sure your malo stays in a nice golden brown. If you burn it too much, then you're a little bit too far gone. Some tribes do it that way, but I've never really associated with their kind before. My malo's not even melted. I definitely feel a stronger spiritual presence since you put the book down.
Okay, guys, so you have to make sure that you have your grams set up beforehand. And you set your roasted malo on top of the chocolate. Pull the stick out and put it somewhere safe. That right there. Get a good shot of that. That'll keep the spirits away any day. S'more is very good. Marshmallow is perfectly melted. Chocolate started to melt a little bit. Spirits really like that. I like the cinnamon in the crackers. Very good. Whoa, what the heck was that? What is that?
Hey guys, remember we had that bike?
What the
I got a bike pump.
bite?
What's up? Are you guys having s'mores without me?
Yeah, where the fuck have you been?
Wow, okay.
Alright.
That's okay, yeah. I'll have s'mores with
always fucking do this, dude.
Fine.
That's why we didn't want to invite you this time, bro. Take some shit. Hey, comrade, can you give him marshmallow, please?
I think I am.
DJ Dogbite, you're supposed to roast the fucking malo first, dude. Otherwise you'll piss
You
off
know
the
what?
spirits.
I'm distraught, man.
There's
You
a
guys
stick,
already had a fucking.
He always does this, doesn't he?
Okay, yeah, I always
always
do this.
does
I
this.
always do this. I always do
happens.
this.
He wants to fucking
What-
kidnapped by some
what's
demon.
my book doing here?
You're dead!
You know the Mouse and the Motorcycle is my favorite book.
We thought you were dead!
It's my book.
Yeah, we were
You gonna
using the
sacrifice
contract
my
you.
book to the spirits?
To your spirit.
My spirit's right here.
We thought you were dead! You started screaming down in the room. We went in there searching for you for like 30 minutes.
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Did we not search for him? Did we search for him? Ryan, didn't we search for him?
Yeah, we went looking for you.
I got attacked by a fucking demon. I got a vampire bite on my neck searching for you right now.
Did you bite Ty?
Before the spirits come and get you. Yeah, you better not have fucking bit me.
I was in the room looking for my bike pump. Okay.
Why is your bike pump here?
Because I brought it, obviously.
It was just bike pump all along.
Alright. Let's get back on topic here. The s'mores. I'm gonna rate my s'more about 7 demon possessions, about 19 poltergeist encounters. Comrade, what about you?
I rate mine 5 Tomahawk missiles versus 53 Taliban AK Kalashnikov 47s.
That's a pretty harsh rating right there. I thought they were pretty good. DJ Dogbite, what about yourself?
You ever watch Scooby-Doo, that one movie where they had like the aliens? And they had like the green like fucking broccoli heads, you know? Yeah, so I think this is what the marshmallow tastes like. So I'd give it like 3 aliens out of 5.
Out of 5? So,
Yeah.
like a C minus.
Coming into a situation, I had no belief in ghosts, but after tonight, I have belief in ghosts. They're real. They bit Kai. They almost bit me. I could have been the next I did not believe in the ghosts. But when I came here, I believe.
I got these marshmallows here. You know how like bridesmaids catch the bouquet from the bride? It's kind of like the same thing, but instead of flowers or whatever, it's marshmallows, and like instead of having to throw away the flowers, you can just eat these.
The question was, have you ever seen ghosts before?
Oh.
So guys, it's winding down here to the early hours of the morning. It's been about an hour and a half since pretty sure it was either DJ Dogbite or some demon that bit me on the neck, and I'm not feeling too well. So we're gonna crash here for a few hours and wake up. Not that much has happened since the whole bathroom incident, so we feel like the ritual that we just did kind of calmed all the spirits down and maybe cleansed the house. So we're gonna just clock out for about an hour or two, wake up, and see what else goes down. See you in the morning, kids. Ugh.
What the fuck?
Guys, Kai.
What the fuck you waking me up for? What's going on?
TV time? What the hell?
For the best part, it's tangy. If you've ever known what tangy barbecue sauce is like, this stuff is the
What
definition.
the fuck?
Get out!
Ha 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 ha!